Namaste all of you and welcome back to my virtual class. In the previous video, we have studied about the constants and variables from algebra section. In today's class, we will know what it means by coefficient, base and power in any algebraic expressions. First of all, let's have a look on these examples. 3x square minus 7 y to the power 6 5 by 2 x to the power 3 and 8 m to the power 0. So all of these are the algebraic expressions in simple form. Now let's focus on coefficient, base and power. Coefficient is the number that we write on the left hand side of the letter. In the given examples, 3 minus 7, 5 by 2 and 8 are the numbers that are written or that have been written just on the left side of the letters there. So all these numbers are called coefficient. 3 is the coefficient of x in the first example, minus 7 is the coefficient of y in the second example. Similarly, 5 by 2 is the coefficient of x here and 8 is the coefficient of m. They are kept before the letters. Here in the same examples, you can see that x, y and m are the different letters that have been used. So all these letters are called the bases, and bases are also known as variables that you have learned in my previous video also. Finally, the number that we write in small form on the top corner of right hand side is called the power or the index. Like here in these examples, you can see this 2 is written on the right side and on the top corner. So this is the index or the power. Similarly, 6, 3 and 0. They are also the powers or the indices in the given examples. So these are the concepts of coefficient, bases and powers. Let me give some more examples regarding this. So if you take x square plus 2xy plus y square, then we have to go individually in this algebraic expression. Like in the first part, we have x square. It doesn't seem any coefficient in this first part, but we all know that there is always one multiplying with each letters. We can write 1 here and this one is the coefficient for this first term. 1 is the coefficient. Similarly, x is the base and this 2 is the power. Let us go to the second term of this expression. We have 2x y. Here the coefficient is 2 because this number is written on the left side of the letters x and y. As I have already told, coefficient is always the number, and this is the numerical coefficient. Now if you go to x individually, it has the power 1. X is the base here or the variable, and it has the power 1 as there is no any other number written. If you go to the letter y, then it also has the power 1. Now if we move to the third term of this expression, again y has 1 in front of it. So 1 is the coefficient here, y itself is the base, and 2 is the power. So I hope with these examples you are now fully clear about coefficient, base and power. And power also has the another name, that is index. Let us clear this. I would like to provide some additional informations regarding the power. Like if we write the expressions in this manner, you can see on the screen. Let me tell you that number 2, when written as power, that is read as square. So here it is a square. When 3 is written as power, it is read as cube. So we call it a cube. But the numbers more than 3, when they are written as powers, they have to be learned, or they have to be read as to the power. Here we read it as a to the power 4. So we use the word to the power 4. We'll go similarly with 7. It is read as to the power 7. So you can follow the similar terms to learn the powers more than 3. Okay, with this much I would like to wrap up my today's tutorial class. I guess you enjoyed the class. If there is any confusion, do not hesitate to type on the comment box. Thank you for the previous time you have spent in my channel. See you soon in the next video. Thank you very much.